In this video, I will be showing you how to create an invitation card in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I head over to the top left of the dashboard and click on Create a Design. In the search box, I type in invitation and select the invitation format to open up a fresh, blank canvas in the editor. Once the workspace loads, I head over to the left sidebar and click on Canva AI. In the prompt field, I describe the design I want by typing, "Create invitation card for 80 years old female birthday." After typing the prompt, I click the arrow button to generate the card. Canva AI begins working on the concept, brainstorming creative directions, setting up the layout, and mapping out all the design elements. Within moments, Canva finishes generating an elegant invitation card complete with soft floral graphics, decorative fonts, and organized placeholder sections for the date, time, venue, and RSVP. Next, I collapse the side panel so I have a full view of the canvas. I select the floral element and click on the transparency tool in the top toolbar to adjust the background intensity. Then, I select the main heading text and open the text color menu to choose a deeper shade from the color palette, making the title pop against the background. I also select the border elements and explore custom color options to harmonize the overall color scheme of the card. After adjusting the colors, I slightly reposition the top corner floral graphic to balance the layout and fine-tune its opacity. Finally, I use the zoom slider at the bottom to zoom into the canvas, carefully reviewing all the text placeholders, alignment, and details to ensure everything looks polished and ready to share. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create invitation card in Canva.